how to fix Outlook not receiving emails. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if you are not able to receive any emails on your Outlook. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Outlook application in your mobile device. So if you're not able to receive any emails in your Outlook, there might be some reason. But first of all, you have to check your spam folder or spam file as well. Sometimes your email might get into spam in Outlook. So go and check for a spam folder in Outlook and make sure if your emails are there or not. But if that's not your case, now what you can do is open up settings in your device and then tap on apps. Tap on see all apps, tap on search icon from the top right corner and search for Outlook. That's gonna take you to app info page of Outlook. Here scroll down a bit and then tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache will remove the glitches or error from the application that might help you to solve your problem. Once you're done with that, go back and check if you're able to find your emails or not. If still not, then you have to make sure that the Outlook application on your device is up to date to its latest version. To check that, open a Play Store in your device and in the search bar, search for Outlook. And if your application is missing out any update, you will have update option right where I have open button. Tap on update, and once the application is updated, that might help you to solve the problem. If that still doesn't help you, the last thing you have to make sure is that you have enough space in your OneDrive. Basically, Outlook will use the Microsoft OneDrive, so you have to make sure you have enough space in OneDrive. If your OneDrive is already out of storage, then you won't be able to receive any emails. If your storage is in full in OneDrive, make sure to clean up some storage to receive emails on Outlook. So these are the way to fix the Outlook not receiving emails problem in your device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.